Royal Caribbean has become the first international cruise giant to announce its return to the Chinese mainland market after pandemic. Royal Caribbean said its super-sized luxury cruise ship, Spectrum of the Seas, will resume cruises in Shanghai in April 2024.
Next year, we will deploy the largest cruise ship in Asia, the Spectrum of the Sea, to sail from Shanghai and Hong Kong to the neighboring countries, including Japan and Korea. I think the confidence level of the international cruise industry is increasing as governments emphasize the open door policy and maintain and improving the business environment. In the past, I think the average age of the cruisers booking our cruises is about 40 years old. Now we see the younger generation also are interested in taking cruise holidays. So this is very obvious, the changes.